Shutting down a PC sounds simple, right? You hit the power button or click Shut Down in the Windows menu, and you're done. But what if I told you that shutting down in Windows 10 doesn't actually turn off your computer the way you might think? Let's dig into what's really happening when you hit that shutdown button. Spoiler alert, it's not a full power off. Decades ago, there was a feature called Hibernate in Windows. It allowed your computer to save everything you were working on to the hard drive and then power off, so you could start back up quickly without losing your work. This was a lifesaver for old laptops that drained battery fast. As laptops got more efficient, Hibernate took a back seat, making way for a new feature called Hybrid Sleep. This was a combination of traditional sleep mode, which uses a little bit of power to keep your session alive, and hibernation, which saves your work to the disk. If the power went out, you could still get back to where you left off. So, what does this mean for shutting down? Microsoft introduced something called Fast Startup, and it's on by default in Windows 10. This feature is designed to save time by not fully shutting down the core of your operating system, the Windows kernel. When you shut down, it saves this core to your hard drive, allowing for a quicker start when you power back on. Here's the catch. Fast Startup doesn't reset everything. While your personal files and programs aren't saved, any hidden issues within Windows itself, like driver bugs, can stick around. It's like putting your computer to sleep without fully resetting it. That's why a restart can solve problems that a shutdown doesn't. If you want to make sure your system is completely refreshed each time, here's what you can do. Disable Fast Startup by going to Control Panel PORI. Power options. Choose what the power buttons do. It's a simple switch, but it's buried in the settings. Or, for a one-time full shutdown, just hold the Shift key while clicking Shut Down from the Start menu. This will force a complete power off and reset of your system. What's the takeaway? If you have a newer PC with a fast SSD, you might not notice a huge difference with Fast Startup off. But if you run into strange glitches that don't go away, try a full shutdown to clear things out. That's all for this quick tip. If you found this useful, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below with any other tech topics you'd like me to cover. Make sure to subscribe for more straightforward tech solutions and keep your computer running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and remember, keeping your tech in top shape keeps your online experience safe.